Over in St. James, a woman is dead after a stunt went horribly wrong at a bar in Lucy, Hanover early Wednesday morning. The incident has sparked renewed debate about the type of dances being done in the dance hall.
27-year-old Roxanne Evans in happier times. Before she died on Thursday, the mother of two was paralyzed and in pain. She was part of a dance ensemble performing at a bar in Lucy, Hanover. The event, dubbed Girls Gone Wild Tuesdays, snippets of which were captured in this viral video. Roxanne, more popularly known as Bumper, dances on her head. It's not clear what the intention was, but one of her dance partners jumps and lands on top of her. Shelly Ann Yetman is the deceased woman's sister.
I was in my bed when I get a phone call from the nurse from Lucy Hospital, say my sister get injured. So I call my mother same time, say we must come at the hospital same time. So when we on our way to Anchovy, then call her back, say she the original. When we go original, then the doctor talk to me, say she get a injury. She get a spinal injury to her neck, and she cannot breathe on her own.
She says the doctors recommended emergency surgery.
So my mother buy the iron to go in her neck for 55,000, and then carry my Falmouth go do his surgery. And after the surgery, the doctor said her stomach block up with vomit, and she no must make it because she cannot breathe on her own. Her machine a breathe for her, and she can't stay up on the machine forever. So they don't know what go, and she go on paralyzed forever if she live. So we come back home, and when we come back home in the morning, then Carrie said we must come early in the morning. When we go up there, we get the news that she died.
As it turns out, the stunt isn't the only thing which has troubled the family. Efforts by persons to get Roxanne to hospital apparently did more harm than good.
Then lift up her and drop her back down on the ground. Broke her neck more again. 3 times the doctor said her neck break. And she paralyzed from the dance.
So as the community of Marcus Garvey Avenue in Rose Heights and James mourns, a word of caution to stunt dancers.
That's how they party, but they're hurting themselves, then should stop dance like that. Dance like a normal people in our days. At our time when we dancing, we dance nice. No jump up, no jump over there, so, and then thing there. Just calm themselves and dancing like they're mad.
Dance enjoyment still in about our Roxy gone, I feel say if we stop. Yeah, I feel so them jump on them, bend over, head top thing on them thing. I feel so them thing that we stop.
It's not the first time that an over-the-top move in dancehall has sparked controversy. In 2006, an 18-year-old female died during a dance contest where she performed the then-popular Dirty Wine. In a November 2006 BBC documentary titled Is It the Dance of Death?, a doctor warned that based on the physical nature of the dance move, training and warm-ups are key. One would imagine this still applies in 2020.